Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back, nation. Nation, we are back with another video. It is currently in the 30s. Currently in the 30s. I'm going to work. I don't want to. Say it's supposed to be snowing. Say it's supposed to get bad. Kids out of school. I think I left my battery in the house. So this one's gonna die. Currently, well, it's cold. I can see it's cold. Steam coming from the Firebird, man. But other than that, man, ain't really a whole lot going on. So we gonna get some footage today, man. We on this grind, Jack. Editing the video as soon as I get to work. Truck together. We'll get myself together. And yeah, we're gonna do it like that, man. So in the meantime, in between time, man, I want y'all to go ahead, man. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, man. Like, share, comment, man. Please comment. Please comment. And go ahead and tap that notification bell, man. So every time I post, every time I drop, you'll be notified, man. That way, that'll take the guesswork out of anything y'all trying to figure out, man. When B-Lo posting, what B-Lo talking about, what's going on. You already know. It's gonna come right to your phone. So, yeah. That being said, man, let me go ahead and get myself together, man. Get up here to the job. Run back in here and get my other battery, man, because I've been running through batteries like crazy with this everyday vlog. So let me go do that. And yeah, I'll hit y'all right back, man. Let's get the day started. Yo, man, we back, man. And I said it's supposed to be getting bad or whatever, but it ain't doing that right now. Y'all see. Ain't doing nothing. We got some drizzle. I guess that's from the snow flares or whatever. But other than that, it's all good. I guess I ain't gonna record too much of this because it ain't really doing nothing. So I'm about to head on to my stop, man. And we'll pick it up from there because it ain't really no point. You know what I'm saying? Like, ain't no point. They ain't doing nothing. They ain't snowing. Ain't nothing spectacular. We definitely ain't gonna see no cars on the road right now. There's a Rolls Royce or a C8 or something come through. Doubt if you see a C8 right now. Rolls Royce, possibly, but not in this area. So yeah. But this is more of a lifestyle vlog anyway, man. This ain't got nothing to do with cars or whatever. This is more of a lifestyle type deal. So yeah. We just rolling, man. We rolling, trying to get a little change, man. That's all. Get a little change. Get back to the house safe. Get back to the house safe, man. So, what I'm about to do is go on, scoot on over to where I got the beat out. Come on. Now I catch y'all on the back end of things. Man, this lady looking at me. This lady over here looking at me crazy as hell. But it's all good. I'm stuck in traffic. But I am on the way to something very, 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 very spectacular to me. Very special. Nice little trip, man. Nice little pickup, you know what I'm saying?
What's up? Y'all going with me, man. I don't never vlog when I go inside here though, because I think I did it once, but they always got the copyright on. And it's never really like a long process when I go in here. Like they already have, you know what I'm saying? Everything I already be ready to be in motion, man, so I don't have to do too much, you know what I'm saying? I walk in, pretty much walk back out. But yeah, man, about to go and make this stop, man. Nice little stop, man. It's big for me. It ain't gotta be big for nobody else, man. It's big for me, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking about, it's me, man. It's big gangster stop, man. So yeah, man, I hit y'all when I get over there, man. Let y'all see what we got. Yes, sir. Y'all know what time it is. Pulled up, man. Yeah, man. Y'all seen what we was? Man, we bet y'all know what time it is when I pull up at this spot right there, man. New B-Lo Nation apparel, man, on deck, man. Shit will be going up today. Well, today is the 14th, so it'll be going up today. But yeah, I probably won't get this video on the 14th. Probably won't get it on the 15th. That's that far behind. No, I'm lying. I ain't that far behind. So y'all will be getting this video shortly. But I'm gonna show y'all a little sneak peek, man, of what's going on. Show y'all a little sneak peek, man. Yeah, man, y'all see it. Y'all see what we got going on, man. Big B-Lo Nation back up in here, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Big B-Lo Nation, man. We got the skull caps and we got the snapbacks, man. The snapbacks, man. Yes, sir. We back in business, baby. Back in business. Man, this order just touched down. I'm about to put in another order. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna put in another order, man, so I don't run out, man. I'm trying to keep from running out. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir, man. We got the red joints. Got the black joints. We got the royal blue, man. I'm about to put in an order for some more colors. Man, hopefully these last me until the next order come in, man. But yeah, man. I told y'all, man, the grind ain't stopping, man. I ain't finna slow down for nobody no more, man. I'm telling you, man, you finna roll with me or get rolled over. I ain't got time to be playing, man, because it's too much money out here, and I'm seeing the money circulating, and it ain't circulating my way. You know what I'm saying? And I know that it could be circulating my way. I just ain't applying the pressure that I need to apply for it to be circulating my way. So guess what? Full throttle, non-stop. You get in my way, I'm gonna hit you. And I'm gonna keep going. It's gonna be like one of them Earl Campbell trucks. Herschel Walker or something. Like one of them niggas hit you. Mack truck type. For real. Man, we ain't gonna stop until this apparel turn into some type of designer, man. I'm gonna be a black designer. This is gonna be B-Lo Nation clothing. Is gonna be a black designer. Watch what I tell you. But anyway, I'm finna go to the house so y'all can really see what I got going on. Which, I mean, it's hats, so y'all seen what I got going on. But I'm finna shoot to the house, man, and get this stuff here posted. So man, I can go ahead and so I I can go ahead and, man, get somebody in this. Whoa, buddy, you can't do that. This man bagged up in the street, in the Ram. What's wrong with you, buddy? But anyway, yeah, it's Friday. I'm about to shoot to the crib and get all this stuff together, man. I got some people that had pre-ordered, so I'm finna contact them, let them know they stuff here, and yeah, get their information, man, so we can get this stuff shipped out. And yeah, get it shipped out, man. Get some more in, get some more gone. Gotta do it, dog. Gotta turn the grind up. I meant that. Y'all see it. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see, you know what I'm saying? The amount of videos that I was putting out before 2022 and the amount of videos I put out in 2022. Already. You know what I'm saying? 14 days in. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, man, the grind just, like, y'all turn me up, man. Like, it just turned me up. So, I'm up there, man. I'm stuck there. So, let me get to the house. Hit y'all in a second. Man, got them things, man. Got the blue, got the gray, the skull caps, black. Got the blue, the red, and the black snapbacks, man. Yes, sir. Big B-Lo Nation, man. Big B-Lo Nation apparel, man. We gonna keep on until it's designer, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Told y'all, man, the grind is not finna stop. The grind ain't finna stop, man. Had to step it up. I'm investing in myself, as y'all can see. Investing in myself, man. Got the hats right here. Still got my merchandise on the site, man. Man, look, trying to tell y'all, man. Trying to tell you.